Welcome back to Homestyle Kitchen Recipes. Today we're gonna make protein salad. First we have to pour some onions in the cup. And we add into the bowl half cup of kheera, tomato, chopped tomato, lettuce, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, half scoop of pepper powder, half spoon of salt powder, half tablespoon of salt for the veggies, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 mixed veggies. Next we can add boiled rajma. Mix it again. Taste it and serve it. This is my favorite recipe.
Let's enjoy this salad. This salad tastes amazing, Chef Jittu.
Of course.